welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, hello. Ito po ang mga ambisyosang turista ng taon. And have a look at this, guys. Today, I'm gonna tour you all around the Bulls R Arab area. Ito, umikot kami ngayon. We're into some yate. Hi! Hello! And later, guys, I'm gonna tour you inside the yacht. Okay, it is our first time ever to ride or to board in. Oh, I am so Cecilia. Hello! Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. Oh no, guys, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna enjoy and on board a beautiful yacht. Oh my god, this is my first time ever. And it's so, guys, look. That's the yacht.
Datang kayan lo.
Tapos na ang oras na.
Sako ka magayan para di gele itiyang ko ba.
Where's the light? I think this is the master's bedroom.